everyone? Got a 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan here. We got the check engine light, got the scanner hooked up to it, and we are getting code, it's kind of hard to see on here, U3501, control module input power A circuit low. Okay, basically what that means with this car, it means that the car has detected low battery voltage, okay? So the customer brought this in here and it starts up no problem. It starts and everything, but I did go ask him, has the battery ever died on them? Did they leave the lights on, leave the doors open or something like that? And they said, yes, they have jump started this car at least one time. So the battery can get compromised if you let it drain all the way, then you charge it back up. The life of it will be reduced, all right? So this battery here is only 3 years old in this car. Typically batteries last 3 to 5 years. Again, the car starts no problem. We have two options here. We can either just reset the check engine light, send the car on its way, and see what happens, see if it comes back or not. We can actually test the battery, see if it's good or not, and give a good test on it. Or what I'm gonna do is go ahead and recommend a new battery anyways. It's the winter time right now. It's at least 3 years old. Let's go ahead and throw a new battery in it and it will definitely solve the issue, okay? So if you are getting U3501, either reset the light, roll with it, have the battery checked out, or just go ahead and replace the battery. That's gonna solve your issues. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it does, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.